lot of people think Grok AI is only good for quick clips or simple talking characters. What most creators do not realize is that Grok can actually build full, long videos with precise consistency. Same character, same style, same details from the first scene to the last. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I used to produce a complete 60 seconds YouTube video using only the free Grok video generator. No paid tools, no external animation apps, just Grok and a clear step-by-step process. Before we get into the setup, let me quickly show you a short preview of the final video I created with this method.
A young woman named Mira hikes through a quiet forest at sunset. Beside her is her friend Jalen, carrying a small radio scanner. They stop when the scanner crackles with a faint voice. Mira looks at Jalen. They follow the signal deeper into the woods. The trees grow darker. Footsteps echo behind them. Jalen turns, but nothing is there. The signal grows louder. They spot an abandoned wooden cabin with a dim light inside.
Incredible, right? Now, let's start by generating the story and scene structure using ChatGPT. We'll begin by crafting a short storyline. To make it truly engaging, we'll tell ChatGPT to introduce a small suspense hook every 5 seconds. This keeps viewers interested and prevents the story from feeling flat. We will also limit the story to only 2 characters. This helps maintain visual consistency when we move into video generation, since Grok performs best when the character count is simple and focused. Once the short script is ready, we will move to the next step. We'll ask ChatGPT to break the story down into individual scene prompts. The key instruction here is important. Each scene must smoothly connect to the previous one, so the final video flows like a continuous cinematic sequence rather than a collection of random clips. Now we're ready to build the first scene. Head over to grok.com. I will also leave the link in the video description so you can access it easily. I'm going to return to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 1. Inside Grok, switch the mode from video to image. Paste the scene prompt into the text box and hit send. Grok will generate several image variations for this scene. Take a moment to review them and choose the version that feels the most accurate to your story's tone. Once you have selected your image, click on it. If you need to change the aspect ratio for your final video, you can set that here. For this tutorial, I'm choosing a portrait mobile format. Now click the Make Video button. Give it a few seconds to process. The video clip for scene 1 is now ready, and here is the result. Now let's move on to scene 2. Copy the scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, you will see a fresh set of images appear. However, notice something important here. The main characters have changed. The image shown in scene 2 does not match the one from scene 1. If we are trying to build a longer video with full narrative flow, this inconsistency becomes a major problem. Before we fix it, let's still turn this current scene 2 image into a video clip. Click on the image, select your format, and generate the video. As you can see, the result looks good, but the character does not match scene 1. So now we apply the method that ensures 100% character consistency. Play the scene 1 video. Go all the way to the final frame. Pause at the last frame. Right-click and copy that final frame. Now paste that frame into the Grok Imagine box. The moment you paste it, Grok will automatically start generating a new video from that final frame. If you do not want this auto-generation, it is okay. We will adjust that setting shortly. This automatically generated clip looks smooth, but it still does not follow the visual story of scene 2. To fix this properly, we return to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt for scene 2. Go back to Grok. Paste the final frame from scene 1 first, then paste the scene 2 prompt directly below it, and click Make Video. Within a few seconds, your new scene 2 clip is ready. This time, the character is perfectly consistent with scene 1. That is the key. The model continues from the previous frame, so it naturally keeps the character's design. For scene 3, we repeat the same process. Play scene 2 to its final frame and copy it. Before pasting it into Grok, we must stop the automatic generation behavior. Click your profile icon, open Settings, go to the Behavior tab, scroll down, and switch off automatic generation. Then return to the main page. Now paste the final frame from Scene 2 into the Imagine box. You will see the image appear instantly. Copy the Scene 3 prompt from ChatGPT and paste it below the image. Hit Send. In a few seconds, Scene 3 is ready, and once again, the character looks identical, with consistent style and shape. This is the method you will repeat for every scene. By always starting each new scene with the final frame of the previous one, you maintain complete continuity from beginning to end. Same characters, same design, same cinematic flow. Using this workflow, you can create long, fully consistent story videos with ease. Just continue the process for all remaining scenes. Once all the scenes are generated, click here to view everything together. As you can see, we now have a full sequence where the character design remains consistent from start to finish. To download any scene, just click on it and press the download button. Now that the clips are ready, the next step is to assemble them into a single long YouTube video. Before we edit, we need a voiceover. For that, we will use Google AI Studio, which provides a free AI narration feature. Choose the single speaker audio option. Select a voice that matches the tone of your story. Copy your script into the text box. Remove anything unnecessary, such as timestamps, and click Generate. After a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Preview it, and when you are satisfied, download the audio file. Next, open CapCut and import all the scene clips along with the voiceover. Drag the voiceover into the main timeline. To clean up long pauses, right-click the audio layer and apply noise detection and reduction. CapCut will automatically remove silent gaps and smooth out the narration for you. Now import Scene 1. If your video is intended for TikTok or Reels, you may notice that Grok does not always output the exact vertical framing. A reliable fix is to scale the video to 123%. This keeps the scene centered and fills the frame cleanly. Next, adjust the clip speed so that the visuals align perfectly with the narration of Scene 1. Repeat this process for every scene. Import the clip, set scale to 123%, and adjust speed so it syncs with the voiceover timing. Once everything is aligned smoothly, you can also enable auto captions to boost viewer retention and clarity. CapCut generates captions instantly and lets you style them to match your video's look. Add the clear filter to make it pop. With everything in place, click on the Export button on the top right corner of your screen if you're using a PC, give your video a name, select a video resolution, and click on Export again, and your video will be downloaded to your device. Let's preview the full result.
A young woman named Meera hikes through a quiet forest at sunset. Beside her is her friend Jalen, carrying a small radio scanner. They stop when the scanner crackles with a faint voice. Meera looks at Jalen. They follow the signal deeper into the woods. The trees grow darker. Footsteps echo behind them. Jalen turns, but nothing is there. The signal grows louder. They spot an abandoned wooden cabin with a dim light inside. Meera whispers, asking if they should go closer. They push the door. Inside, a single lantern glows. The radio crackles again, and they hear Meera's own voice calling for help. Meera freezes. Jalen grabs her hand. They realize the signal is a loop from the past. They turn off the scanner. The forest becomes silent again. They step back into the open air, choosing the living world over the echo of the lost.
If you've watched this far, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribe if you have not already. And if you want to learn more on how to create a full animated movie using only prompts, make sure to stick around the channel. I have more next. I will see you there.